I gotta go catch the baby. Oh, I got one. Mommy. Oops, oops, oops. I'm gonna carry this too. Come on, baby. You poor baby. Mama, I gotta go carry two babies. And then say, hey, hey, what you just did? You got the two babies. Oh boy, she's not happy. Mama is not happy. Okay, I'm gonna go and turn off this camera because mommy is not happy. Come on, mama. Right here. Mommy. I got your baby. Right here. In my hand. Uh-oh, what's up? I'm gonna be... Come on, mama. Right here. Hey, the baby. See? I got you, baby. Let's go to the other pen, okay? Hey, got me my babies. See, I got twins. And mommy is following along. And look at that. More Dorper baby. Look at you guys. We got Dorper newborn baby. Hey, mommy. Mommy, come on. I'll bring you inside, mama. Come on. Come on. There's mommy. Okay. We found another one, and this one is the same time with the twin. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go pick up the baby and bring them to the safety area. Ow, I've been attacked. Come on, mama, over here. Mommy, baby here. Let's go. She got a big one, a big baby. This is a busy day for me here. A twin and a single. Outside. Okay. Oh, the baby hung up on my pocket. Up. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. We go, mommy. We go. I gotta close the gate. So I have ewes that have a baby today. Come on, let's go to the pen. Come on, mama. Carry. She's been carrying me off here. And let's go. Let's go, baby. Get organized here. So, you're coming. Come on, baby, coming. Oh, you found the hay. We're coming in here, mama. Come on, I'll feed you. Let's go, mama. Let's go. Mama. Come on. Mommy. Meh. Come on, mommy. Let's go. Okay, let's go inside. Get inside, mom. Let's get inside. Go. You look at the... Oops. Look at the babies. Come on, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at the big difference of a single baby and the twin right there. Yeah. Oop. Don't run over. Mommy, they're hungry. So this one here belongs to that one there. This is the boy. Yeah, this is the boy right here. Oops. That's the boy. And this is our cutie. Anyway, got my babies, my twins right here. Come on, twin, get up. Give a twinny. Twin. Mommy. I got a handful. Hi. Thank you guys for continue watching my video. things that I'm doing here at home. And there's the baby here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There's all my twins. They're my cute twins. Hi. Oh, you are so cute too. Yeah. Come on. Run me over. Yeah, run me over. Yeah, run me over. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Mommy is over there eating. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You go find your mama is eating there. Oh, hi, baby. Hey, baby. Hi, babies. Hi. This is the twins. And pretty. The chip or the owner. Joke lang ha. Well, I got so many babies now. I got total of 2, 4, 5. Got one more. Mommy is getting ready to lamb. I mean, I'm just focusing this little boy right here. Yep. And of course, mommy, that's not. Hey, you baby is over here. No, mommy, no. You come get your baby here. No, you are not nice. Come on, move, get your baby. Mama, there's the other baby. See, mama, there you go. She's jumping around now. The color, they're pretty. They're different kind. I like it. I like my baby. So anyway, guys, thank you again for continue watching our video Ilongga on the farm. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Sige, bye bye. See you, bye bye. You are cute. Okay.